Hello everyone, it's your boy JFX. Alright, so today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually get your CWG account funded. Alright, so I know if you're watching this video, means you're either trying to log in to our community where we share our free signals, or you're probably joining CG markets through Forex house. Alright, so and if you don't know, we do have a signal community where we give retail traders signals for free. We also teach them how to actually trade and how to manage their risks. So you can join that using the link in the description below, using our Telegram channel, or you are probably doing that already and you want to know how to fund your account. So this video is going to help you understand how to fund your account and get your CWG market account into your MT4. Okay, so first of all, you want to log in. Alright, so once you log in, you want to create an account. So you see this create view account over here. You want to click on this create a new account. Alright, so you want to click on standard account, and then you see the instant account of different varieties which you want to pick. You're going to go with this one, which is right here, because for you to gain access into the Signal community, you have to have at least $30 funded accounts, which actually CWG markets give you 100% bonus return on your deposit, which means you can actually deposit $15 and get a return of $15, which is $30 to get an access into the community. But we, the traders in the community, suggest you go with a more proper funded account, so you can actually make a reasonable result, because we are looking at 2 to 5% a day. So if you are using a $30 account, 5% a day is going to be really small and not encouraging for you, which could lead to over trading and lead to several falls. So it is advisable for you to have at least 200 to 300 funded dollar account, so you could get your 3 to 4% daily, which at the end of the month could round up to 40% return, which is around $100 and something of your money. Okay, so once you have that, you want to apply for your account, put in all your details. Once everything is set, it's not that difficult. You just choose your platform, USD, choose a leverage, then you put in a password. Once you tap on create account, it's going to create your account instantly, and then all you have to do is wait a few minutes. You're going to get an email with your account details, which you will be using those details to log into your MT4. Okay, on your MT4, all you have to do is use this code which you see right here, which is going to be emailed to you, and the password which you used in creating your instant account. All right, you use those two, you log into your MT4 with the broker, which is on the email which is sent to you. Basically the entire details is sent to you on your email, and then once that is set, so that is how you can actually log into your MT4. You just copy those details and then you log in. But to deposit your account, you tap on deposit right here. All right, you choose an account, because once your account is created, it's going to be showing here. As you can see, mine is showing 0 because I actually created this trying to understand how this figure works, so I could create this video for you guys. Okay, so you tap on this, you select your means of deposit, and that's it. All right, I already had a CWG market account long ago. I just created a new one, just to show you guys how to do this. Okay, so this is another account which I'm using, and I'm trying to make sure everything is on a beginner stage, so you can see how easy it is to use your CWG markets. All right, so that is how you can get your account funded, and there are so many varieties of means you can use to deposit. As long as your details are placed there, is practically usable in multiple countries, because I'm using this from Nigeria, and it's very, very easy to use from Nigeria here, so it definitely has to be easy for your country too. So thank you for joining us today, and that is how you can get your CWG account funded and ready to go. All right, if you wish to join the Signal community, where you get access to signals from not just me but multiple mentors around the world as well, who are under CG markets affiliates, you can tap the link in the description, which takes you to our Telegram community with the remaining details there. You can also use the link in the description to sign up. They are all labeled there to help you join the community. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.